my name is Lori Moriarty and I'm here with Leer and introducing you to the new Leer 650. This is a very low profile 4-panel cover with a sink latch system. Extremely easy to operate. You're going to simply squeeze the sink latch system, fold, second latch, fold. Now you may operate this cover in this position. By doing so and using 4 panels, you actually have gained an extra 7.5 inches of bed space. We also have thinner rails, so you've gained 1.5 inches widthwise as well. When you use the cover in the upright position, you use the shocks to hold it in place. Does not rest against a window. And if you'll notice, by using the 4 panels, you get a brake light view. So if you'll notice, when the panel is in the upright position, using 4 panels, it allows you to view the brake light from the rear. When you're ready to put your panel back, your cover back in place, simply snap the rods back in place, easily close your cover back up. You can close the cover, your tailgate, with the cover in the upright or closed position. Now that you've seen our cover, if you're ready to purchase it, you can purchase this online at Auto Accessories Garage.